Hey everyone, if you're watching this video, most likely you want to know more about San Gabriel, California. Or where the heck is it? It's in San Gabriel Valley, California. You are maybe consider moving to this location, doing a homework assignment, or a history nerd just like me. In this video, I'm going to share with you everything you want to know about San Gabriel, California. So stay tuned. Hello, I'm Ben Pie Champagne. I go by Ben Your Agent. I live in the San Gabriel Valley area for over 20 years. And I just now am starting my YouTube channel highlight all of the different areas and cities in San Gabriel Valley. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do and hit the notification bell. Let's go. Also, check out my first video, which was on La Puente. And today I'm going to go over everything, like I said, San Gabriel. San Gabriel was named after the mission San Gabriel Archangel, one of the initial Spanish missions. Did you know it was prominently agricultural region? But now it's more suburban. San Gabriel offers plenty of activities like hiking, swimming, boating, mountain biking, and other outdoor activities. Also offers one of the best higher educational schools as well. For example, APU, which is Azusa Pacific University, California State University, Los Angeles, Alliance International University, California Institute of Technology, and many more other colleges. Did you know the median family income makes around $610,000 a year? That is just an average estimate, just so you know. The median house value in San Gabriel as of last month is $1 million. The closest hospital is San Gabriel Valley Medical Center with 11 private schools. I think I went to one called, I believe, St. Anthony's School. There's much more I can probably tell you, but I hope what you heard in this video gives you a good idea of San Gabriel, California. I want to give credit to citytowninfo.com for helping me out with some of the facts. I'm a local realtor and would love the opportunity to help you and yours to achieve your real estate goals. Please comment below the word helpful if it helped you out, and please share this video as well to anyone you know that wants to learn about San Gabriel Valley. Thank you so much for joining me on my journey, and have a wonderful week. God bless you. Take care. If you have any referrals, please let me know as well. Have a great day.